This is for all those parents who have a special child to take care, be it mentally challenged kid or autism or attention deficit disorder or any neurological, the child is born with any neurological or developmental conditions. For those parents, it is important to look at life from a different angle. Look at it like you are given a different responsibility unlike other parents. Try to appreciate the small world of your children and along with the child you also can experience the simple life what the child is going through, what benefit it has for the future. No one knows. Even for those parents who are rearing the most genius child, it is not predictable. So instead of thinking what the future of the child is holding, try to be in the present and then think that you are given a special responsibility and you are also special parents. Live with the child, day-to-day life, whatever is required for the child, developmental need, focus on that. And most of the times it is the mother who is ending up in sacrificing for all these things, especially for those women who are career oriented. This can be little difficult, but it is important that you have to take this responsibility and then you have to do it even if it requires a sacrifice. You can do it. Career, yes, it is important. You have nourished a lot of dreams, but if the life has sketched you a different path, it's important to accept it. Many things in our life are unpredictable, but if that is what it is, then it is wise to accept and then able to handle that responsibility with all that what you can do without thinking what the future holds, which no one has no idea for any one of us. So I think this little message will help those parents who are rearing a special child, and please consider what the professionals are advising and then stop comparing your child with the other normal sibling or other children around, and then don't confuse the child and then don't let it burden your hearts. Thank you.